Want to find the next big stock before everyone else does? Growth stocks can generate huge returns, but they come with serious volatility. And Nvidia has been one of the biggest winners in recent years. 2. But did you know it crashed 70% in 2022 before its meteoric rise? That's why picking the right growth stocks is critical. In today's video, we're breaking down 6 of the best high-growth stocks for 2025. These stocks aren't just about hype. They have real catalysts for long-term growth. We're looking at earnings growth, revenue potential, and industry tailwinds. And some of these might surprise you. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor, smash that like button to support the channel. All right, let's jump in. The next energy giant? What they do. GE Vernova, GEV, was spun off from General Electric in March 2024. It focuses on energy generation, storage, and distribution, a crucial space as AI demands more power. Why it's a growth stock? 1. Since IPO in March 2024, the stock is up 230%. 2. AI boom is more energy needed. Data centers require massive power. 3. Analysts expect 150% revenue growth in 2025, 70% in 2026, and 40% in 2027. 4. Forward PE, 62, high but justified by insane growth. Valuation and price targets. 1. Current price, $385. 2. Analyst target, $440, 15% upside. Some have 500 plus 30% upside. Final verdict, AI's growth depends on energy, and GEV is at the center of it. The AI king of China, Baidu, is often called the Google of China, but it's way more than that. 1. Robo-taxis, AI partnerships, and cloud computing. 2. Teaming up with Apple to power AI in China. 3. China's economy is rebounding, a huge catalyst for Baidu. Why it's a growth stock? 1. China's GDP is rebounding, 5% growth in 2024. 2. Stock is down 12% in the last year, while Alibaba, is up 40%. 3. AI and autonomous driving will drive future revenue. Valuation and price targets. 1. Current P9, historical average, 16, meaning 50% undervalued. 2. 12-month price target, $108, 15% upside, but some analysts say 50% plus upside. 3. Billionaire David Tepper is heavily buying China stocks. Final verdict. If you believe in China's AI boom, Baidu is a steal at this valuation. The NVIDIA challenger, what they do. 1. AMD is NVIDIA's biggest AI competitor. 2. Provides high-performance GPUs and CPUs for data centers. Why it's a growth stock? 1. Stock is down 35%, prime opportunity to buy the dip. 2. Data center business now 50% of total revenue. 3. Amazon, Meta, and Google are spending billions on AI infrastructure. 4. GPU market is expected to grow from $5 to $20 plus in a few years. Valuation and price targets. 1. Forward PE, 22, PEG ratio below 1, meaning undervalued for growth. 2. EPS grew from $1.29 2020 to $4.60 2025, 250% growth. 3. Analyst target, 147, 30% upside. Final verdict, NVIDIA has been the king, but AMD's AI chips are catching up fast. The future of banking? What they do. 1. SoFi is a disruptive fintech company focused on online banking, lending, and investing. Why it's a growth stock. 1. Stock is up 80% in the past year, 130% in the last 6 months. 2. Profitability just hit for the first time, a game changer. 10.M members up 34% YoY. 4. Delinquency rates are stabilizing, lower risk. 5. Interest rates will likely drop, more borrowing. Valuation and price targets. 1. Price to sales, 5.1. Robinhood is at 20, meaning SoFi is cheap. 2. 12-month price target, 12. Still room for upside. Final verdict. If fintech takes over banking, SoFi is leading the charge. The backbone of AI and tech. 1. The world's largest semiconductor manufacturer. 2. Manufactures chips for NVIDIA, AMD, Apple, Amazon, and more. Why it's a growth stock. 1. AI boom more demand for high-end chips. 2. Stock is up 60% in the last year, but still undervalued. 3. Revenue from AI chips is surging. Valuation and price targets. 1. Forward PE 22.8, PEG ratio below 1, strong value. 2. Analyst target $240, 20% upside. Final verdict, every tech company depends on TSM, a must-own AI stock. The energy play, no one's talking about what they do. 1. The largest renewable energy company in the U.S. 2. Utility plus AI energy demand yield massive tailwinds. Why it's a growth stock. 1. Margins have expanded from 48% to 64% since 2020. 2. Free cash flow surged from $8 to $5. 3. AI yield more power demand equal huge growth ahead. Valuation and price targets. 1. P 18.5, historical average 27.7, meaning it's undervalued. 2. Analyst target 86, 25% upside. Final verdict, AI can't function without power and NextEra is positioned perfectly. 6. NextEra Energy, NEE, renewable energy leader with AI tailwinds. 5. Taiwan Semi, TSM, the backbone of AI chips. 4. SoFi, disrupting banking and lending. 3. AMD, NVIDIA's top competitor. 2. Baidu, China's AI leader, massively undervalued. 1. GE Vernova, GEV, AI-driven energy demand, huge upside. Which of these stocks do you think has the most potential? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe for more investing insights.